Hey traders, I hope you did well today. We're starting to continue to see that momentum. It's a little slow though. It died off pretty quick around 10 to 10:15 or so. BLIN was the best move of the day. I saw this before it ever happened, and guess what? I made $0 on it. I ended up today profitable. I'm up a little over $100 from my short position on AFMD. Brian actually shouted that out from IntensityStockWatch.com. You guys need to check that out. Great scanners, a great mentor. AFMD, this had shorts available with CMEG, and just a great short. I mean, if you look at the daily on this one, had its first red day yesterday, and we were just looking for a continuation move down. And that was a great play. BLIN was a great move as well. Saw this before it happened. Today, I want to really talk about what I'm looking at pre-market. I want to go into what I'm looking at so that you can find that as well, because a lot of these movers I'm finding before they ever happen, just like yesterday, just like today. But I trade them a word I'm not going to say, and I really want you guys to profit off of them. Since I can't profit off of them, I really want you guys to. I find myself being a lot more comfortable holding short positions than I do longs. I get so scared out when I'm in long positions. I get in, get out so fast because I really don't trust these stocks. I don't trust the companies. I just trust short positions a lot better. I was holding my short for probably roughly 45 minutes or so because I really do trust my shorts over my longs, and I haven't even been shorting that long because of the market this summer and because I haven't been trading that well recently. So I've been trying to lower my share size and trade accordingly. BLIN, I should have nailed this, guys. I should have nailed it. Please learn from me so that you don't get scared out like I do. Make sure just to hold your positions. Just trust your gut. I mean, get into these and know why you're getting into them and trust the reasoning. I'm trying to keep my losses very small because I'm trying to find that consistency. Right now, I'm trying to get that consistent growth back. Having very small days. Now I just want to make roughly $100 a day. $100 a day, and that's what I'm going to be trying to do, have that little bit of consistent growth, and then start sizing in once I start feeling it back. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and we'll see you tomorrow. Alright guys, market's about to open in about a minute and a half here. And what I'm looking at is BLIN just for a move on up, a push on up. This was kind of like the stock similar to yesterday, whereas we didn't have a lot of pre-market volume, but it was the lowest flow with some activity and with a little bit of news. And this one also is coming up to $1 in a 13 EMA. We should see at least a push up to about that 128.50 day moving average if we get the volume. I'm looking at that. I'm not going to get scared out of my position this time. I don't know if I'm going to enter this though, because as you can see, it's already at 110 on the bids pre-market. My risk reward would be kind of middle. The other play I'm in right now is AFMD for a short. I'll get into that after BLIN. I'm in BLIN. Sold BLIN probably too early. Again, this right up near its 50-day right now, 125. I think we definitely could break this 50-day. Let's just be smart about it. Going to have small share size because I'm not trying to risk a ton here. Okay, I took a little bit more on BLIN. Hey guys, I noticed I didn't actually record my AFMD trade, so I just wanted to talk about that briefly with you. So you got a recap on that as well. Now, I had my headset on for the whole video because of the mic on it, and it wasn't plugged into my computer. I don't know why I do that. So I apologize for the lack of quality with the audio. I'll try to project my voice. On AFMD, what you want to look for is the first red day. You want to see extension and then a big red day. If you notice here, I always keep the RSI on my daily chart. When the RSI breaches a 70, it's overbought. When it goes under a 30, it's oversold. Now, this one was way overbought. It went from, let's see, like $1.60 all the way up to $7.35, had its first red day, and now we're looking for another red day. And that's what we were trading on that one, just looking for another red day. I bought it at, or I short sold it at 570 and covered at 555. 600 shares for a $90 profit on that. But the RSI is important. I do want to talk to you about that because even BLIN, the one today, I mean, you really do notice Like when this breaches 70, it comes back down. When it gets up near 70, it's going to come back down. See, it gets up near, it starts coming back down. You can actually start looking at many different tickers with the RSI, and you'll find that, yeah, when they do reach that 70, they're going to start coming back down. And that's what we noticed on AFMD today. That's why we were trading that one on the short side. That was my trade on AFMD. It was a lot better than BLIN. I actually held that short sell for roughly 45 minutes. And I was very happy with that. I stuck with my gut and traded it well. What you want to look for is that first red day, a lot of overextension above the 70 on the RSI, then you're very likely to start moving back down. Now, I will note, the stock should not breach the PCL previous close on the day before. So when we have our first red day, this is at 615. This is where it closed. PCL is 615. You really don't want to see it above that, because that means, okay, now we're green again, starting to get our next leg up. We want to stay below 615 and continue working our way down. But that's it for that, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Go ahead and do that, and then I'll see you tomorrow.